can't be. This...
You found me at last? Very resourceful, Joan. I too am resourceful. Witness. Mortal. Give in, Joan.
No. Why?
Feel death's grip.
My family,
Darkness
please.
swarms.
No.
There's nothing that makes you feel so alive as death, is there? Now come to me, Joan. Let us see what your soul is made of.
We can't let her escape.
Hundreds of dead, rotting soulless in the earth. What a meaningless waste. But your souls, yours will serve. You try and try and try to break us, and yet the Syndicate is immortal. Do you think this will end? Such a long, faithful life you've lived. Alrion, I'm sorry you will never get to see your god. Your soul burns for me. Death will never come for an immortal.
You're no immortal. You're a thief. Nothing more.
Without you, Giannis, the Syndicate would never have formed, and for that I must thank you. But you will not be missed. Your soul burns for me. Submit. Let our souls become entwined.
We must persevere. Too much hinges on this.
Your faith was a veil for your base desires. Hypocrite. You're lucky your soul isn't going to your god. Your soul burns for me. Your hopeless cause will destroy you.
My cause fuels me.
Any system of belief taken too far can end in tragedy. Go to your brother now, Thane. Don't do this, Exile. You can stop. I can bring them back. Joanna, I can bring your entire order back. Just give me...